Hi again, it's Alex, and as a freelancer, I work directly from home. I'm lucky enough to have a study at home where I do all my work from, so I thought today I'd show you around and explain what it's like working in here. Working from home is honestly great. If I want to sit around and edit in my underwear all day, I can. There's no extra rent to pay, there's no 9 to 5 work day, I can listen to my music as loud as I want, the advantages just go on and on. However, it does come with some downsides. Being home has its distractions, whether that be the TV, the postman, the chores that need doing. It's so easy to just procrastinate and say, I'll do that tomorrow. There is also a profound lack of human contact. I found that in the first few weeks of working in this space, that it's quite easy to lock yourself away to either do work or procrastinate because you have a space that's yours and yours alone. I had office space in my dad's offices earlier in the year, and that place worked perfectly because in an office there's far fewer distractions than at home. However, the offices were quite far away from home and I didn't feel like the advantages outweighed the expense of fuel of getting there every day. Alright, it's time for the fun bit. It's time to give you a tour of my current study. So as you come in the door, you come straight into the seating area, which has got this lovely corner couch, which I do most of my work on. If I'm honest, I normally am sat there. The sofa also pulls out into a double bed, so if I have anyone over to stay, it's perfect for that. It's like a multifunctional room. Over from the sofa area, I've got my desk. I use that screen for a lot of my bigger projects because it has more real estate. What I've done to kind of make this space perfect for me is I've added 2 IKEA desks together, so I have a lot bigger working area, but also the main attraction of working here is the view. I have an uninterrupted view of the countryside and the neighbouring fields. And it's just an amazing area to work in because it's just so peaceful. What I will say is that if you haven't got a filing cabinet, you need to get one of these things. It's literally saved my life recently by organising all my paperwork into a really easy format. This final area opposite my desk is just my shelving unit. I have all my equipment in these little compartments. In here, I have my tripods. In here is just like the camera, the lenses, batteries kind of thing. In here are these LED lights I spoke of. And in here is just printer stuff, so like paper and cards. And by far the best purchase I've made this year, and something I tell every freelancer to get, is a Tassimo coffee machine. This thing saves me every morning by giving me a lovely Costa coffee, and I absolutely love it. I'm very lucky to have this study as my workplace. It has everything I need and more, and as you've seen, it's pretty cool. But I'd love to know where you work as a freelancer, whether that be at home like I do or in an office you rent. I'd love to know, so do let me know.